Hi, I'm Sandra Hindman. Welcome back to our series, #ArtYouCan'tHave, on iconic works of art from the Middle Ages and Renaissance. Today, it's on the Hours of Bona Sforza, a spectacular illuminated book of hours in the British Library. This manuscript was begun in 1490 for Bona Sforza by Giovanni Pietro Birago, a famous Milanese artist. Bona Sforza lost power in 1494 and moved to Savoy. She abandoned the project, but took the manuscript with her. Then Margaret of Austria in Savoy inherited the manuscript. Margaret moved to the Netherlands, where she became regent of the Netherlands in 1506 with her Book of Hours. In 1517, she decided to complete this incomplete but still beautiful Book of Hours and hired Gerard Horenbout. Today, the manuscript has 64 richly illuminated miniatures and, as I said, is in the British Library. However, it is incomplete still. Between 1490 and 1494, Birago stepped out of his studio for a break one afternoon. While he was gone, the illuminated pages he was working on were stolen. They caught the thief, a monk, Fra Johannes Jacobo. The thief went to jail. The pages were not recovered. Just as now, there was an insurance evaluation. Michelangelo did the appraisal, and the missing pages were valued at 500 ducats. This is an extraordinary amount of money. We can compare it to 100 ducats, the value at the time of Leonardo's Virgin on the Rocks. The manuscript was rediscovered in the 19th century, given to the British Library in 1893. As recently as 2004, one of the illuminated pages from the calendar was recovered and bought by the British Library, which in the 2000s had already bought 2 other stolen pages from the manuscript. Many remain missing. So never say never. Art you can't have, but you might be able to have pages from the Bona Sforza Hours by Birago. Thank you. Enjoy.